welcome back to the channel, guys. Back over in Wrexham. Come to have a look what's going on today. It's 24th of July today. Just got here and it looks like there's doing concreting on the first level again, so it looks like they're going to finish that off today. So we'll get the drone up and take a look. Yes, welcome back, guys. Just up in the air now. So we're going to head straight over and have a look where they're doing the concreting on the first floor again, because we did notice that as we were walking in. It's another beautiful day for it. Just a little bit of wind today, so we'll just bear that in mind. So we're just coming round now. You can see the concrete trucks already there, pumping in onto the first level again. So we'll try and drop down and get a good view if we can. Just don't want to get too close to them while they're working. It's not too bad. We can get a good view there, and we're not too close, not encroaching on them. So yeah, you can see the concrete's there. So yeah, spot on with the comments on the last video. Did say they'd be doing the concreting again today. And hopefully, like you said, they'll do some more of the concrete terracing around the other side, so we will pop over there and have a look at that as well. We'll just keep our eye over here for now and just see where they're at. To be fair, it looks like they've done a lot this morning. It's about half 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. And it does look like they've done the whole of the level. From this side, anyway. I'm going just about as close as we're going to get there. How you doing, mate? You okay? Yeah, so they have really been working hard this morning by the looks of things. So what we'll do, we'll leave it there and we'll go around and have a look at the other side now, and we'll come back to them. We'll come back to them in a bit. We'll just head around the other side now and go and see what's been happening around that side. see if we can have a quick zoom in on this side here while we're going round. It does look pretty much complete to me. I'll check the footage back later. Hopefully it is. It does look like they have completed that level. So as we say, I'll just get up here now and have a look over, see if there's any work been done on the terraces. Don't think so. Well, it looks pretty much the same. So it does look like they've just been concentrating on the concreting today. There goes another concrete truck. I think that might be the last one of the day, that. Can't actually see anybody around this side, so I think they are all working on the concrete and around the other side. Maybe a few of the lads are on the lunch as well. First floor's looking fantastic though. It really is. They've cracked on with that this morning. And I think there is, if I'm right, if you can let me know in the comments whether there's matches on tomorrow. I'm sure I read there's a couple of games on tomorrow, so if that's the case, then we'll stay away tomorrow. But yeah, there we go. I think we'll leave that one there for now. And what I will do is I'll keep an eye on the action, and I'll get back up there if anything changes. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.